How was I able to maintain so many vehicles, not so many vehicles, but 2 vehicles, not making that much money? Is because I had a network or a group of people around me, working with people that you trust naturally. Like, you don't have to like do really deep planning in the beginning. You do that after you establish that you're going to do it. But initially, when you work with somebody, it should be natural. Like, I'm trying to find a camera person to help me do my vlogs, and that's very hard because of distances and people's schedules, and it's not natural. So the technique I'm going to try, there's my car, that's a RAV, and that's a hybrid, very popular vehicle. I don't know if you saw it, but I'm going to ask the next time I'm home with a friend of mine. Going to say, hey, grab the camera for me, give me 15 minutes and help me record some content. So same thing because most of you're not content creators, but I'm using that as an example. If you want that vehicle, you have to, and you're having trouble, obviously this is for people they're having trouble or that are aspiring to do things. Work with at least one other person, not even of complete like mind. If you want to get that item, that thing that you need or want, you have to work with another person. And really, you just got to be really on the same page, just enough to get the work done. You don't got to agree on everything. You just got to have just enough. You may just need help. And most of my friends are extroverts. They might go to a, dining establishment or a bar. I'd rather make a meal at home. So even though we have different personalities, there's something that binds us together. And because of that bind, we're able to work together and get things done where it would be much more difficult to do them apart. 1,000-watt inverter. The car on, it's off. All right. I'll have this wired in here simply. Wire it directly to the battery in the rear right. Those are hot, right there, negative, positive. This metal right here, that's why I have this little cloth here blocking. So you can see the metal right there. Little cloth there blocking. I can get some grommets to cover that up if I want it. That's 1,000 watt. Make sure to turn it off. All right, but the battery's right there. I have it wired into it. That's the actual cable for the inverter, and that goes to the car on the right of it. You can see that. And same different, well, this one on the negative side I attach it to the top. Let me see if we can zoom in. Right there, attach it to the top. And the actual battery negative is right there below it. So very easy to install. Really can't mess this up. Goes in the rear right of the RAV4 hybrid. Now, this is a tire that I had the nail in. I can clearly see it. Every 2 days I got to put air in it, and that's the tread depth right there. See it? And it rained. We had some torrential rain today. I was about to go wash the car and vacuum and everything, but it rained, so I said, I'll do it tomorrow. Let me see. The nails in there, I'll probably fix that on Saturday.